Hello children, how are you all? Myself Nisha Soni is back again with a new video on living and non-living things for class 3. So children, already we know what is living and non-living, but still we will discuss more. Okay? So see children, first of all let us know what is natural thing or what are natural things. So whatever you can see in the nature like your plants, your rocks, your sun, moon, clouds, stars, all these are natural things. Okay children? Then comes the question that what is man-made thing? What are man-made things? Okay, so see children, things that are made by men like your buildings, your roads, your cars, then your bridges, all these are man-made things. All these are made by men for our convenience. Yes, okay. So now children, now let us know that what are living things and what are the qualities of living things. Children, first of all let me tell you that living things are natural things. Okay, now living things have some special quality. Okay, that is why we call them as living. Okay, first of all living things move. So see children, living things move. As you can see, this fish is moving in the water, then birds flying in the sky, then you can see this plant is moving. This is not moving, but it is showing the sign of movement. Whenever you will touch this mimosa plant, the leaves will close. Okay, so this shows that this is a living thing. Okay children, then living things grow. Yes, now you must have seen your birthday photos of when you were of 1 year old, then when you are of 2 year old, now you might be of 8 years old, isn't it? Now see children, your height has been increasing, yes or no? So this shows that you are a living thing and we grow according to the time. Okay, then see this chick is becoming a hen. Okay, then you can see that this small plant is growing and it is becoming a good flower, beautiful flower. Okay, now see children, living things also need food. Yes, to grow we need energy, isn't it? And we get energy from the food we eat. Okay, so we eat the delicious food which is cooked by our mama, yes or no? Then this cow, it is grazing the grass because that is its food. Okay, children, now the plants, what do the plants do? Children, plants, they don't eat any kind of food that is made by their mama or whatever. They eat the food that is made by themselves, okay, with the help of sunlight, air, okay, and the soil. And they make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, children, see children, in the process of photosynthesis, what happens? The plants, they take in carbon dioxide and they give out which air? They give out oxygen, which is very important for us to breathe, isn't it? So we must be thankful to the plants. Okay, so now children, living things also feel. See, a cat purrs when you stroke it, a dog barks at strangers, and when you are happy you laugh, when you are sad you cry, because we all are living and we all can feel. Even see children, plants also move towards the light as they can feel the light. This shows that we have that feeling thing inside us. Okay, when we are happy we smile, when we are sad we make this type of face. Okay children, now living things also breathe. Yes, breathing is the most important factor. See children, how do animals breathe? Animals breathe with their nose. We breathe through our nose, yes or no? Then this fish breathes through the gills. Okay, then insects also breathe. You know how? They are having holes inside their body which helps them to breathe. Okay, and what do we breathe? Which air? I told you, with we breathe in oxygen and we give out carbon dioxide. Okay children, now see, living things reproduce. What is the meaning of reproduce? Reproduce means to produce something new. Okay, so here you can see in this picture that a fish lays eggs and so many small fishes are there. Then a hen gives egg, it hatches and more chicks come out. Then Parents give birth to small babies. Okay. In the same way, how do plants grow? See, plants grow with the help of seed. We sow the seed, it becomes a sapling. Sapling grows into a new plant, and the new plant again goes into a big tree. And again, the tree bears the fruit, and the fruit has seed inside it. In this way, plants also reproduce. So, this is the major quality of all the living things. Now children, let us have some fun. So draw a circle around living things. Okay, so what are living things over here? Number one, bird is a living thing. Pigeon, yes or no, because it can fly in the sky. Then, is this book a living? No. Okay, because it cannot feel, it cannot grow. Okay. Then, is this pencil a living? No. Is this plant a living? Yes. Is this boy a living? Yes. Is this tiger a living? Yes. Okay, is this bat a living? No. Is this ball a living? No, because these are not having any feelings. They cannot grow, they cannot reproduce. Okay, children? Okay, so now let us come to our end. So, let us recall whatever we have done. In our world, there are living and non-living things. Okay, children? Things made by humans are called man-made things. Living things include humans, animals, and plants. Living things can move, grow, eat, feel, breathe, and reproduce. Okay? So, in this way, we can differentiate between living and non-living things. Okay? Thank you, children. Have a good day. Happy learning.